Hi YouTube, Sonia Macro here with my first video. Today I'm basically going to show you what's in my dock and what's in my menu bar. So let's get started. Well, first I have the basic kind of applications, Finder, App Store, Safari. I'm pretty sure you all know what those do. Then I have my more productivity / organizational apps. Well, I know you all know what Mail and iCal do, but I'd just like to share this little app called To Delicious that I got from the App Store. Basically, unlike other apps, it doesn't show your date, your priority, everything you need to know. It just shows your to-dos, and all you'd have to do is enter a to-do here. You can, once you've done it, you can just tick it off, and here you can see what you've already done. And the function that I like in this app is that you can search for your to-dos. For example, if I search for assignment, it comes up with my health assignment. So that's just a little handy to-do app right here. Next I have the iWork suite, Pages, Keynote, and Numbers. Basically they're Apple's version of Microsoft Office, where Pages is the word processor, Keynote is the PowerPoint, and Numbers is the Excel. I think they're really good for school and everything because you can all export your files to PDFs and Office, and also you can just share your Pages document to PDF. You can make it a Word document, things like that. Same with Keynote, you can change it to PowerPoint, so you can work on Windows computers as well, which is really good. Next, I have my kind of media section with iTunes and ScreenFlow. Everyone knows what iTunes does. Well, ScreenFlow, basically that's what I'm using to record right now. As you can see, my record time, stop, pause, hide desktop, things like that. It's a really good app. I might do a video further in depth of it. Then I have VLC, the Video LAN player. Basically, this is used to play everything. I use it to watch movies and things on my laptop. It's very good and it's free. Then I have my cleaning up kind of apps. This is a really good app, Clean My Mac right here. Basically what it does, it scans your Mac for all this hidden junk in your Mac, like caches, logs, language files, universal binaries, system junk, trash leftovers. So as you can see, I've already recovered 1.63 gigabytes of junk on my laptop. It just basically keeps it clean. You can also manage extensions and uninstall apps, things like that. So a pretty good app. Next, I have App Cleaner. So you know how when you delete an app, you just drag it to the bin, to the trash, and just empty it? Well, with this one, basically it gets rid of all the extra stuff that you might not need. For example, if I delete Bowtie, it comes up with all of the other things that Bowtie has come with, and it just deletes them, then you're gone. And as you can see, pretty handy app. Trash It is also another good app. Sometimes, there's been locked items, all these other things in your trash that you just can't empty. That's when Trash It comes in handy. Basically, it forces your trash to empty, which is really useful. See, it does all these things that handy, and you can donate if you want. That's also a free app. That's a free app, and that is a paid app. I believe it's around $20-something for the lifetime version. Next, I have the little social kind of apps. So that's Skype. Everyone knows what that does. VoIP calls, video chatting, calls. It's free from Skype to Skype, but you can also call to phone numbers and things like that. Very, very good app right here, worldwide. Then I have Facebox, which I downloaded from the App Store. Basically, you can view your Facebook in a little thing here. As you can see, you can do pretty much everything that you can do in Facebook, but I've had a bit of a problem with chat, but that's kind of a minor thing. Just, if you're going to check your Facebook, see notifications, posts, things like that. That's good. Then I have Twitter. It's just like Twitter, like for iPhone kind of. Basically, you can just see all your things. It's just good. You can reply to tweets. You can retweet things. Command N, new tweet. Yep, things like that. Pretty good app for Mac. There are also other ones in the App Store, but I like this one the best because it's the default one and it doesn't really cost money. Next, I have my system preferences set / customizational things. So everyone knows what system preferences does. Now there's Docker. As you can see, my dock has the transparent kind of look that you can get when you make your dock go to the side, to that side or that side. Well, I did that using Docker. As you can see, I also have spaces in my dock. If you haven't noticed that, and I can also change the effect when I minimize. See, as you can see, it's different to the regular one. It's different to Genie or Scale. That's pretty cool. Then I have Wallpaper to HD Light. Well, I got this recently from the App Store. Basically, it just gets wallpapers. Like, it's okay. It's not the best app, but it's not the worst either. I got a few apps. So you can just go categories. You can download them. You have a daily download limit. It's an alright app. It's free, so might as well try it. Then I have my downloads, documents, applications, favorite items, recent documents, and recent applications. You can do all of that just using Docker, as you can see. You can also change the style of your dock, 3D, 2D. You can make your icons translucent when they're hidden. I have that on, so say if I open App Store, then I hide it. As you can see, it's kind of translucent. So that's pretty cool. Then I have my menu bar. As you can see, I've got ScreenFlow here. This is what I'm using to record. Then I have Facebox. That's not always open, but it's nice to just check your Facebook again. Then I have Dropbox. Dropbox is basically online storage. So maybe if you were at a friend's house or something and you need to access an important document, you can just go to dropbox.com, and as it is in your Dropbox folder on your Mac, it's on your friend's house. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's a really good app to get. It's free, and you can also see it on your iPad or your mobile. See, I can see everything on my iPhone from my Dropbox. That's pretty cool. Next app is like a app launcher app called Alfred. It's from the App Store, free again. Basically, you can open apps like I can open Twitter. I can do Mac functions. I can put my laptop to sleep. You can quit apps, so you can quit VLC like that. It's just a lot faster. You can set a shortcut. Mine's double tap command. It's a pretty good app. I like it a lot. Next is Caffeine. Now this app might seem really small and pointless, but really it's really helpful. Have you know how sometimes when you're downloading an update or something, how you have to, go to your system preferences and tell your computer never go to sleep? Well, that's easy when you have caffeine. Basically, it just stops your computer going to sleep. I have my caffeine open at login. So as you can see here, if I have caffeine on, the little coffee cup is brewing, my computer can't go to sleep or anything. I can open the screensaver, but it won't go to sleep. That's a pretty handy app that I would recommend from the App Store. Next I have Spaces. Everyone knows what Spaces does. Then I have Time Machine. Basically, that's just the backup thing. Everyone knows what that does. Then I have all the standard things you'd expect from a Mac. So YouTube, I hope you've enjoyed that video. Sonia Mac Pro here. So comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'm going to be making more videos in the future. Okay, bye.